How to replace the cross members. If one of the cross members gets damaged, you will need to replace it. First, remove the external scrapers, belt, tail end assembly and slider bed panels. Go to our YouTube channel to watch videos on how to do this. From the tail end, the first two cross members are reinforced. If you need to replace one of them, first drill out the rivets on the inside of the frame. Unscrew the torque head fixings from each side of the frame. Ease out the damaged cross member. Slide the new cross member into place. Screw the 4 torque head fixings back into place, being careful not to over-tighten them. Check the fixings are securely screwed in place. Lastly, secure the cross member with 4 rivets. If you are replacing one of the non-reinforced cross members, the process is exactly the same except without the rivets. Once you've replaced the cross member, put back the slider bed panels, tail end assembly, belt and external scrapers. Track and tension the belt. It is now ready to use.